Kai! Kai, hello po!
And I'd like to give a shout out to the homies outside. We got Kyron, we got the Kai mates and everybody else. Without further ado, Alice from PBB Jenny 11. And now football performer, none other than Kai Montilona. Kai, welcome to the Wish Bus. How are you feeling today?
I can't believe I'm in here, finally. I feel so good to be here.
Awesome stuff. Say hello to all your fans. Dumayo sila kahit broad daylight pa kanina. Nandito na before the sunset.
Hey guys, oh my gosh, umuulan. Hindi naman umuulan.
All right, let's circle back to the excitement na nandito ka na sa Wish Bus. Have you been binge watching on Wish Bus performances? Talk to us about it.
I have been, even before PBB.
For
I
real?
would be watching like Christine Velasquez. Oh my gosh. And finally I'm like sitting in the same chair.
Yep,
Is this the same chair?
it is.
And I'm in the Wish Bus. Yeah, I'm so excited to see performing my song.
Let's
In the
go.
Wish Bus.
Let's go. But before that, however, let's speak about your roots. Right, you're all the way from Cebu.
All the way from
You're the Singing Guapo of Cebu, as done by PBB. Are you fluent in your native tongue? Would you like to say hello in your native tongue?
Paano nga ba yung hello? Hi! Hi, hello mga taga Cebu dira. Kung makasabot mo na ako sa Bisaya.
Maayong.
What's up? Nandito tayo sa Wish Bus!
Let's